Okay, so we're in Kashgar, and this is video number 3. The other 2 that I did would be the old village, old ancient city. Those will be in the thumbnails at the end of the video. But with this one, we're going to kind of meander around this area a little bit and kind of see what we can see. And there's a ton of people going down those directions as well. So we're just going to give you an idea. I think we can get a good idea of what Uyghur people look like, because there's a lot of Uyghur people hanging out here. So it should be kind of cool. We got a Kashgar one for you, and this particular one we're going to be starting at the mosque. So and the mosque is like right in the center of the old city. It's on a big major road that goes through the old city. Anyways, it's up on the map, and we're going to walk you through, and you're going to check out, and you're going to see some of the cool stuff that happens in the streets, because there's a lot of cool stuff in Kashgar. And I have some other videos. You're going to get even more of that in the future ones, so stay tuned for that and watch more of the Kashgar ones. Anyways, here it is, starting at the mosque and into the city, as if you're there yourself. Come along with me. Kashgar. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to do, I do see some kind of cool stuff going around that way, but I also see a lot of people who are kind of hanging out at the steps behind me as well. So we are going to go, it says no drill zone, we're going to just kind of see what's around in here. So I think we're going to see a mix of people hanging out, but also maybe people connected to the mosque. They're kind of like could be Uyghur people, but there's also a lot of tourism stuff like sunglasses and dresses too. So I don't know which way we're going to see, but we're going to walk down it anyways and try to see what we can see around here. I got it on the in kind of a way that we can see all the periphery sides too. And then that gate over there is actually one of the ancient cities, and then another one behind me as well. And then they're selling all this kind of stuff all the way along the walls and this way as well. So maybe we will walk back that way. And then we can go back towards the mosque, and then behind the mosque there's also some stuff to see back there as well. Yeah, they're selling all the clothes everywhere as well. Okay. I think we're also kind of getting an idea of what people look like here. Let me see. I want to give respect to the mosque, so I'm just kind of observing. People have their shoes on up here, so I guess I can wear my shoes too. Let's see. Okay. So I guess we're gonna walk down to this other side here. So I think sometimes some of them are kind of a mix of like tourists and also some Uyghur connected to the mosque. Then now we got some more kind of interesting architecture, and I think down here more tourist stuff. So okay, I guess I'll just keep meandering around in here. Huh. Actually, this one actually has real instruments. I saw a lot of like tourist ones, but this one's look like they're the real deal. Even has pickups. Maybe later we'll hear people playing those. Okay. Oh, there's even a ton more over there too. That one's over in the sun, so we're gonna stick to the shade, I think. Some jewelry. Okay, so here a little bit of music. Don't know where that music's coming from exactly. Oh, it's it. It's like Changsha. I think that's like some kind of walnut. That's where the music's come from. We got one street right here, and then I think we also had some dancers over there. Here come the dancers. And actually there's some recorded music as well. So let's get away from the recorded music a little bit. Pretty cool. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, so we are gonna meander down one of these ways. So yeah, we're kind of giving you a taste of kind of random stuff. I'm still kind of figuring out the city. It's bigger than I thought. The old ancient city is bigger than I thought. That guy's still shouting. That guy was shouting and yelling at the other thing too. Let's see. I'm gonna go back out this way. I was like shouting. I was getting something to drink and he was shouting and yelling in the 7-Eleven, rubbing up against my arm, and he looks like a little kid, like a big little kid. Anyways. Yeah, actually he was like brushing up against me, rubbing up against me like a little kid, and then but he was excited, didn't know what he was doing, didn't know he was all over somebody else. He jumped in front of me. Oh, there's tons of people now. Let's go up there.